So this is currently my America getting soaked. Let's go check out what's outside. It's crazy out there. Hello, I'm filming. It's crazy. Look at it. Maybe it's not as cool or crazy as it looks on camera. Let's go check it out. Messy kitchen, messy laundry, pet room.
You wanna go in?
What's up, dude? What are you doing? Are you enjoying the rain?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I don't want to be filmed.
Why don't you want to be filmed? She does not want to be filmed. Our yard is turning into a lake. America is not going to happen tonight at our house because it's stormy. Bye.